Hi, welcome back to class. In this lesson, we'll see how to find the area under a curve. This is one of the common applications of integration. Before I get into this example, I want us to remember how to find the area of a rectangle. When dealing with the area of a rectangle, we know you do this is the length and this is the breadth. The area of this rectangle is given as length times breadth. Now, the same thing we're going to apply in this curve. We're going to be finding the area under this curve, but stylishly, what we'll be doing is multiplying my x times my y. Now, if you watch out for this, for the y value, you see that the y value is not consistent. That is, the y value at this point is different from the y value at this point. So what are we going to do? We're going to integrate. By integrating, it will give us the y value at every instance of y. That is, if this is f of x, here is f of x, my y will be the same thing as the integral of f of x. Now we're finding the area of this curve between 3 and 1. This is the same thing as saying y is equals to the integral of 3x squared plus 6x plus 8 ranging between 3 and 1. That is, my b now is 3 and my a is 1. Using our formula in integration, we know that if y is equals to the integral of x raised to power n with respect to the x, we'll be saying that my y will be the same thing as x raised to power n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So that here now, y now will be the same thing as f 3x squared, that will be 3, x raised to power 2 plus 1, that is 3, plus 6, x raised to power 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1, now plus 8. 8 is the same thing as 8x raised to power 0. 8x raised to power 0 plus 1 over 0 plus 1, all ranging between 3 and 1. So that my y obviously will be the same thing as 3 here is 1, 3 here is 1. Will be x raised to power 3 plus, this is 2, this is 1 plus 1 is 2. Obviously, 1 plus 1 here is 2, 2 here is 1, 2 in 6, that's 3, that's 3x squared plus 8x plus c, ranging between 3 and 1. So that obviously my y value will be the same thing as, we're going to subtract, we're going to substitute the value of 3 for x. This will be 3 raised to power 3 plus 3 into 3 raised to power 2 plus 8 into 3. Now, by the time we do plus c minus c at the other end will become 0. So that I can do away with the c, minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 3 plus 8. And this is equals to 3 raised to power 3 is 27 plus 3 times 3 raised to power 2, again that's 27 plus 27, that's 54. Plus 8 times 3, that's 24. 24 plus 54, that's 78. 78 minus 1 raised to power 3, that's 1 plus 3, that's 4 plus 8, that's 12. 78 minus 12, that's 66. 66. Now, with this, you've seen how to find the area under a curve. In our next lesson, we'll still take a further example to help you understand it better. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.